Hey, what's up? Colonel Joseph here. I wanna welcome you to another affiliate marketing video here on my channel. And today we are going to talk about the fastest way you can generate $1,000 online without choosing ClickBank, which means you not having to use ClickBank but still being able to generate a nice residual monthly income. Now, if you are new to my channel, I wanna welcome you here. I wanna say thank you for being here, and of course I'm Colonel Joseph, and I've been doing digital marketing for a while now, and for about a year and a half now, and what has stood the test of time is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting somebody's product and making a commission out of it. So somebody else has a product, this person needs to get sales to the product, you're here, you promote the product, and the process of you sending them customers, you make a commission check out of it. The best thing about this method, you don't need to worry about customer service, you don't need to worry about building products, you don't need to worry about building a website and all that. It's all done for you. What you need to focus on is sending customers to this product, and this is the best way for beginners to generate an income online. And what I'm going to do today on my video is break it down for you on the strategies to use and how you can use affiliate marketing to generate this product online. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. And before we do that, I have some few bonuses for you just to help you get started, or if you already started, you need something that is close to being automated 100%. I'm here to help you. I got some leads to send to you, I got some emails to send to you, and some scripts that you could use to get started and to simplify your journey in affiliate marketing. I'm going to tell you ways that you can use to do that. And if you want to win these bonuses, there are things you need to do, but I'm going to tell you one of them, which is subscribing to my channel and turning the notification on so that you can receive videos when I post them. So let's jump into the video and explain to you the fastest way to $3,000 or $1,000 a month without ClickBank. So why do I say without ClickBank? So you see, ClickBank is an affiliate network, and this means that they give you products that give you a one commission. So what do I mean by that? So what I basically mean, I'm just going to make a small sketch of a drawing here to explain to you what this means. So this is you right here. Forgive my drawing. So this is you right here, and you send customers to this product, and you make a one commission. You make one commission out of it. So what are the disadvantages of you using this kind of method? This is because when this person purchases other products out of it, you don't make this commission because you don't have this person as a customer. What happens is ClickBank has this person as a customer, so when they purchase other products, you don't make commission out of it. You only make commission on the first product that you promoted. But when this person opted into this product and bought the product, they become ClickBank's customer and lead. Now you lose out on the future products that this person buys from it. Now it's not to say that you cannot get to $3,000 a month with this, but it's that it's a very hard way of doing it. It will take much time for you to do that. It will take much time to convince this, because you wouldn't make these commissions, but because it will take a longer time for you to do that, because you don't have these leads that you can earn from. So that's the difference between with ClickBank and other products. No, and again, I'm not saying that this product, I mean, it's all the products in ClickBank, but some of them, or not saying it's every affiliate and network company, no, but this is basically what happens. Now I want to introduce you to the current affiliate marketing way of doing your marketing, and I'm going to explain it to you. We call it let me write it here. We call it the ecosystem. Call it the ecosystem. It's called the ecosystem affiliate. The ecosystem affiliate marketing. Now, what is ecosystem affiliate marketing? Ecosystem affiliate marketing is where by this is you. I'm just going to remodel what I just did. Now you send customers to this ecosystem affiliate. Now the ecosystem affiliate, this basically means it contains a few products. Let's say this is the first product, the second product, and the third product. So this basically means that no matter how many products this ecosystem contains, you make commission out of all the products, and the commissions are done what? The commission are sent to you. So this basically means this system is designed to sell multiple products. That's what we mean by ecosystem. It's designed to sell different products and to help you out. And mostly in this ecosystem, it's that the products that are being sold here, these are monthly recurring products. These are products that earn you a monthly residual income. And let me give you an example of systems that give you a monthly residual income. We have like GetResponse, we have ClickFunnels and the like. So these are products that are under one umbrella, which is an ecosystem, and they give you a residual income, of which I have made some commission out of it. So this is definitely a good system for beginners. And when you check the link below this, the link below this video, it will get you to this ecosystem and teach you on ways to capitalize on this and capitalize on every product that is being sold with this system. And inside you're going to find traffic. You're also going to find learning materials and softwares that could help you in generating commission. So I want to ask you to take this initial step and change your life and start the new way and just do away with this way of marketing. This to me is the old way kind of marketing. You need to start the new way kind of marketing where everything is built in, the follow-up is built in there, or if you want to do the following by yourself, you can still do that. So you want to do that because the program that will help you get started here gives you some free leads on autopilot every month. It give you trainings on how to get started. You get to have a rotator inputted in your system. So it's better to get started and get to know what is offered here, get to know what you're missing out, because you wouldn't want to miss out on this opportunity. So this will make it easier for you to generate this amount of money, the $3,000. But I'm not saying when you get started you're going to make this amount of money. What I'm saying is that when you get started and put in some effort to drive in traffic, you might make some sales, because online income is not guaranteed. It's the effort that you put in and the effort that you put in and the amount of zealness in you to learn. So you wanna jump in and think about it. If you have some questions, let me know. So I'm going to have some follow-up videos on this ecosystem and how to go about it. So with the bonuses that I was saying is that first thing is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. The next thing is like the video and share it to your friends. And the last thing is follow me up on my Instagram. I'll leave the links below. Then on the next video I'm going to pick a winner and I'm going to send you these bonuses. So I'd like to thank you for taking your time to listen to me, and I hope this video was of value to you. See you on the next video.